As a roofer, sealing flat roofs and underground car park ceilings is part of your everyday life. And this sometimes includes expansion joints, insulating wedges, round cords, loops, layers upon layers. Phew, that's quite exhausting. Can't that be done easier and faster? Sure, with Migua ceiling strips. Simply roll them out, turn on the blowtorch, and off you go. In a few simple steps, everything is watertight, quick and safe, even if the expansion joint moves. And with Migua ceiling strips, it is actually allowed to move in all directions, even when there's a corner or expansion joints are crossing. No matter what the course of the joint is, we can handle it. You can count on that. Now, how are you going to get ceiling strips and suitable molded parts? Very simple. We measure your expansion joint precisely, and then manufacture your fitted Migua ceiling strips so you only have to do what you know best: seal. One less thing to worry about thanks to Migua ceiling strips. Get in touch with us and talk to the experts for the sealing of expansion joints. Migua, you first.